Hello and welcome in this video for this exercise given during the MIT Integration B, and this exercise is this one. You want to evaluate integral of x to the 1 upon log of x dx. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. One way to solve this is to notice that whatever the value of a, if a is a positive number, a could be written as e to the log of a. So if you apply this to this exercise, now you end up with integral of x to the 1 upon log of x dx equals integral e to the log of x to the 1 upon log x dx. Then we need to recall a property of the log. So every time you've got log of a to the b, this is b times log of a. So if you apply this to this exercise, 1 upon log of x, this is the power. So this power becomes a parameter. So you end up with integral of e to the 1 over log of x times log of x dx. So now you can simplify, and at the end you've got integral of e dx. E, this is a number, so this number can be put in front of the integral. So this is e integral of dx. So at the end you've got integral of x to the 1 upon log of x dx equals ex plus capital C, which is a constant number. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.